What will you get? You will receive 1100 pieces C curved nail tips, 550 pieces in natural and 550 pieces in clear. We pack these nail tips separately according to size. There is a total of 11 sizes and each size has 50 pieces. You can select suitable size according to your nail size. Square nail tips. We select half-cover nail tips, which can better connect and lengthen your own nails. The position of the fingertip is designed to be square, keeping in line with the current fashion trend. You can also trim these straight nail tips to other shapes, such as ballerina nail tips, stiletto nail tips and so on. Long C-shaped bending design. If you like the long C-shaped bending nail tips, this will be a good choice. The surface of these curved nail tips is smooth, with strong toughness. It is easy to polish and apply. It looks natural and can be used to extend your real nails, which will beautify your nail shapes. How to use it? Firstly, trim and clean your nails. Apply glue to the edges of the fake acrylic nail tip and stick it to the front of your fingernail. Press for about 10 seconds to make it stick more firmly. Then trim and polish the nails to the desired shape. Finally, you can make DIY creations on your nails. Fingertip art. These extra long nail tips are perfect for professional nail salons or nail learners. They are applicable for DIY nail art at home, which won't hurt your nails but make your hands more beautiful without worrying about nail flaws. Show your friends your hands at parties, dates and weddings. Top reviews from the United States. Price is right, must buy. Don't like how it comes packagers. I would have targeted it in a case, but they are just as described. They are beautiful, not too thin, not too thick. It's truly a must buy. I will put them in my own container. I love them.